This is a world's first actually, because this is me and Alison. Alison's just in the toolbox here. But we are going to fit Caddy Life mirrors to the Caddy. Now I got these from Julian Green the other day. They actually arrived about 2 or 3 days ago. I'm sorry, I've still got the poo eye, so I'm trying to get out of the sun like a vampire. But those have arrived and they're in gloss black. So we've had another couple of little upgrades on the Caddy. So we thought we would get those put on today, and we were going to try it ourselves, aren't we, Alison?
Yeah.
And that is an extensive toolkit. But just to give you a quick look around some of the recent upgrades, front lights tinted, they have made a massive difference. I'll put the old one on now. This actually isn't, well, it's going to stay that colour, but that is just a rattle can. I just rattle canned it to see if the orange actually worked. That looks mint. And then these at the back here, now that's a bit dark. I didn't expect to go that dark, but I like it. And the rear tints, so you can actually, you can't see in, but you can see out of those now. And then I've gone for a black spoiler, but I'm not overly impressed with this spoiler, I'll be honest with you. It's not the greatest quality one. And I've just been and bought an 11-piece spline kit from Halfords, because after watching videos, I needed this. I didn't.
Is that a spline?
No, this is where we're gonna struggle all day. Alison's going in first at the deep end. We've watched the video, haven't we? So we should be all right. Look, I'll catch up with you when we start making some progress. See, there you go. Girl garage power stuff. Right, I'll open that. I'll just be here to open the tools. You be here to use them. Just with tools, don't bother with none of that stuff, just brute force. Because we went to get another tool and Alison just cracked on without me. So what? Oh my God, right, now we've got to wait because you've got to unplug. What was that you just unplugged? Is that the handle?
Yeah. Is there a secret?
Got to get your nail down the back of it, or do you know, like when you push it down and then slide it out? Yeah, there you go. Right, door card off. It did actually say you can keep the handle attached to it, but obviously you've just gone, because I don't know how to put that back in.
That needs to come off now, but we need the fingers because I'm going to snap my nails.
Right, the trim tool. Where did we put the trim tool?
Back in the toolbox.
Do you know what? Don't have kids. Just don't do it, because this garage is for my and Alison's pride and joy. Fair enough, some of these bits here are mine, but it's because of kids that, look, there's one bike, there's all this fishing stuff, there's another bike there. All their fishing stuff, all their crap ruins my garage, and look at how sad and forlorn those motorbikes are. And fair enough, that is mine, and that bit there. But the rest of it is all because of kids. I'll just grab you tools and you just carry on doing it. It's just some clips. Pull it off. Caddy Life mirror's being fit by Alison. You have said it's your Caddy.
Yeah.
So, you know, don't lose that bolt. Oh my God, you did it. You're a genius. You're an actual genius. Maybe we spoke too soon. This is literally me just watching you. This is what it's like when I go up to Mark's. Have you got it?
Yeah.
We'll feed all this through. Oh my God, Alison, you've done a thing.
I did a thing.
You got it off. Right, now we have to take that apart. Right, so because for some reason VW put all the DAB and GPS gubbins in here, I have to take this apart now and get all the wiring out so we can put it in the new Caddy Life wing mirrors. At this point, I left Alison to take the rest of the door cards off and the wing mirrors, while I concentrated on taking the DAB and GPS sensors out of the passenger side wing mirror. To be fair, Alison made light work of taking the door cards off and the driver's side wing mirror.
Skill with which she picks things up.
While I struggled somewhat taking the DAB and GPS sensors out, because that is a job that requires some element of skill, which I don't have.
Don't brute force it. Don't Jeremy Clarkson it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, lady. You just pulled it. What are you doing? Slow down, man. You said work it through gently and you've just gone full on Hulk mode. Yes, you have. I wasn't even pushing. You did.
Came through well easy.
Yeah, but you was...
Let me see. Has that got to go through as well?
Yes.
No, but it can't because there isn't a cable for that, I don't think.
Maybe it doesn't then. But those definitely do need to go through.
I don't think they're going to go through.
Well, just pull them harder like you just did a second ago.
Right, pull them back out because I'm sure you've got to take the stupid plastic bits off that.
Right, that's the black one. If we actually do this, I will be so impressed because we will have actually done a thing.
But then how are you supposed to hook it on, hook it down, and then fucking, what did you do, just brute force it?
I would say so, probably. Right, I'll get it lined up here. Oh shit, sorry mate. There, that's lined up there. Like, smudged it all in there. That's ripped, so I'm going to leave that for another day. But this could be the final piece of the jigsaw, Alison. Need to feed these wires through that bit, the little hole there, so I'll go around that side. Right, just need to check these as well, because there, that and the blue. That and the black. Not going in. These bits here are a bit fiddly, but you've absolutely smashed it, haven't you?
I enjoy stuff like this though.
Working on your caddy.
Yeah.
Just got to put the final touch on, which is the caps and the glass, and then it's going to give it a new look on the old caddy. Probably can't see anything out of them, but yeah, it's going to be good.
Will they? Yeah.
Right, they're all in. Brute force. Well, get the screw in that one again.
Is it on?
Yeah. Door cards back on. I do not like door cards. I think door cards are the worst part of this job. And any part of a job is taking off a door card. I think it goes round, yeah. And then you just push it in.
I am scared to do that. No, I am not doing that. No chance. Fiddle not either side.
This door card don't feel fully on, but this one is going to be a bit of a pain in the backside because it's all the. So let's put that one on first.
Is that the right way?
No, it's this one.
Oh. Big head.
Is it that one?
You're the dickhead.
Is it that one?
Oh no, wait.
Wait, we need to shut the door. Because if you shut the door, then you'll see.
Oh no, no. Yeah, so it's that one.
So I'm not the dickhead then?
Yeah, but you didn't exactly argue with me, did you then?
Well, no, I was...
To say, no, I'm right. What'd you do?
Clip it in. Should just, yeah.
I don't understand.
I think...
This is like...
No, I think we're doing it wrong. No, we've done something wrong. We put the wing mirror, the covers on before you put the glass in. Get that side in first.
Is it actually on the bottom?
Oh my God.
Go.
We've done a thing. Look at them.
In the back.
Oh my God, Alison, look at it. You need to take it in now.
Yeah, it's well there.
Shut that door and then I can see.
Where's my phone? My ticky-tockies.
Yeah, look at how much better that looks now. So the main test now is to see if they move when
I'm not going to do
if they electronically or if they're heated, because these are supposed to be heated, these ones. That looks well good. Yeah, I'm impressed. We did a thing. We did an actual thing, Alison.
We did.
Well
a real
done.
thing.
Oh my God,
A
it
man
looks,
thing.
yeah,
It
it
was-
looks mint. Right, I hope you enjoyed our perils, our struggles. We didn't get a divorce.
No.
And please remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next how-to video, because we're absolute whiz kids now. I think I'm just going to build a caddy from scratch.
Yeah, we're completely capable of doing that now.
100%. Put some mirrors on. What's an engine? Hey? See you on the next one.